10 rules for money. Save this video so you don't get left behind. 1. Set clear goals. Take control of your finances by setting achievable goals for your financial journey. 2. Embrace calculated risks. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. They often lead to rewarding opportunities. 3. Step out of your comfort zone. True growth lies beyond your comfort zone. Explore new possibilities. 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Choose your circle wisely, surrounding yourself with supportive and inspiring individuals. 5. Educate yourself. Knowledge is essential. Learn about money management and wealth-building strategies. 6. Diversify your income. Create multiple income streams to increase your wealth potential. 7. Prepare for emergencies. Build an emergency fund to safeguard against unexpected setbacks. 8. Use debt wisely. Differentiate between good and bad debt. Leverage it strategically for wealth building. 9. Stay focused long-term. Patience and persistence lead to sustainable abundance. 10. Learn from mistakes. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities and maintain a positive outlook. Drop a 100 if you read this far. This shows you are part of the 1